Hello everyone, welcome to Enchanting Endeavors. Today I'm making one of my go to comfort dishes at home, a healthy, thick, and filling tomato soup without any cornflour. I'm starting off with about 1 kilo of ripe tomatoes, roughly chopped. Then I finely chop 5 cloves of garlic to bring in that amazing flavor. And finally, I use just half of a large onion, cutting it into tiny pieces. And that's it for the prep, quick and easy. Next, I heat up about 100 grams of butter in a pan. Once it warms up, in go the onions. They need some time, so I let them soften until they turn pink and tender. Then I add in the garlic. Together, they release the most amazing aroma. After 5 to 7 minutes, when that aroma fills the kitchen, I slowly add in all the chopped tomatoes. I give it a good stir, and after about 10 minutes, I add 1 glass of water, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of salt, and half a spoon of pepper. Mix everything really well, cover the pan, and let it simmer gently for at least 30 minutes. After half an hour, the tomatoes soften beautifully and the soup starts to thicken up. At this point, you can add in the herbs of your choice. Totally optional. I personally love a dash of oregano and a pinch of thyme. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes. And then finish it off with a swirl of fresh cream for that silky smooth texture. I stir it in and just look at that gorgeous color and that velvety consistency. Once it's done, I turn off the heat and let it cool for a bit. When it's lukewarm, I blend the soup until it's perfectly smooth and silky. I don't sieve it. I like it thick and wholesome, but blending makes it super creamy. And that's it, a thick, silky, filling tomato soup. Healthy, comforting, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and healthy homemade dishes.